What's up guys, I'm Shubhankar from TechRunsGadgets, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about 7 new WhatsApp tricks that you should definitely know. These tricks are so cool that these will help you use WhatsApp in a more fun and productive way. So let's get started. If it is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates. First up on the list is delete send messages on WhatsApp after 7 minutes. Most of you guys know WhatsApp rolled out a feature where you can delete mistakenly sent messages within 7 minutes. But did you know that WhatsApp has increased the time limit? Yes guys, now you can delete mistakenly sent WhatsApp messages even after an hour of sending them. To be exact, 1 hour, 8 minutes and 16 seconds. To demonstrate this, I have this chat here for example. As you can see, I sent this message at around 12 AM and now it's 12:56 AM. So I'm just gonna press on it, click on delete. I'm just gonna click on delete for everyone. And as you can see, this message has been deleted and it's almost an hour. This is awesome. Next up on the list is how to view WhatsApp status without the other person knowing. There are certain instances when you want to view a certain person's WhatsApp status but you don't want them to know that we saw their WhatsApp status. It is pretty easy to do that. Let me show you how. Just click on this button and then go to WhatsApp settings. And when we are in WhatsApp settings, go to account, then go to privacy and then go to the bottom and there you can see read receipts. Just turn it off. And now when you see the WhatsApp status of that person, you'll be invisible to the uploader. WhatsApp status privacy. Many people don't know about this useful WhatsApp trick. If you don't want someone to see your WhatsApp status or you want to share your WhatsApp status with only a select group of people, you can do it very easily. Just click on this button and then go to status privacy. And there you can see 3 options. Who can see your status updates? My contacts except, only share with. You can use it as you like. This is great. Automatically notify your contacts when you change your number. Just like moving into a new home, changing your number can be a hectic task. You gotta individually send your new number to each and every contacts, every friend, every family member and whatnot. WhatsApp can help you there. If you wanna change your phone number, don't delete your WhatsApp account. Just go to WhatsApp settings and then navigate to account, then change number and then click on next and then type in your old number and then your new number. Then again next, and there you can see there is an option notify my contacts, and when you click on this option you can choose all contacts I have chats with or custom. And when you click on done, the process will continue and a message will be sent with your new number to every contact that you choose. I like this feature. WhatsApp Storage Manager. Did you know WhatsApp has an inbuilt storage manager that you can use to check which chat is using how much of your device space, and in fact clear any unwanted media like excessive good morning and good night messages, memes, etc. from your device if you're running a little low on storage. To do that, just go to data and storage usage under WhatsApp settings and there you can see storage usage. Just click on it and there you can see which chat is using most of your device space. Then just select any chat you want. Now you can just click on manage messages and you can delete any excess thing like photos, videos or GIFs if you want. And then just tap on clear messages button. The unwanted stuff will be deleted. Next up is type message with voice. If you're not able to type a message at a particular moment or just feeling lazy to reply back, you can use your voice to type a message. Just go to a chat and open your keyboard and there you can see a mic button. On most keyboard is present right over there. Just click on this mic button and start saying your message. How are you? And you can even speak in your native language. Just select your native language. My one is Bengali and then just click on the button again. Kemon acho? As you can see, this is very easy. The last but not the least, WhatsApp Live Location. This is a very popular feature that helps you share your location in real time with one or more contacts for a specific duration. For example, if someone will be visiting your place and he or she does not know the way around, you can send him or her your real-time location so that he can navigate to your place without asking any chai wala or rishka wala. This can be really helpful. To do this, just click on the attachment icon and then select location, and there you can see share live location. Click on share live location, then click on continue, then choose share live location duration. I'll choose 15 minutes and then click on the send button and your live location will be sent. To stop sharing, just click on the stop sharing button. That's it. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below, do share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel. Until then, I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching.